Good morning, traders. As we're preparing for oil news in 40 minutes, let's review what played out this morning in the trading room to the tick. As again, you're always invited to join us in the trading room by signing up on the website, and you can witness precision live, and you can ask questions about the instruments of your choice. The long on Nasdaq struggling after reaching reversal zone. We've been stuck in extremely narrow trading range, bouncing back and forth. And we knew this well before market open with a simple glimpse. This is software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8, and again, you can trade any chart you choose, converting this chart to one. Students trading this on range charts and tick charts, and it comes with multi-market scanner. You insert the instrument of your choice and you day trade futures on NinjaTrader 8. So as you're witnessing Nasdaq reversing from reversal zone to the tick on any chart you choose to trade, I'm bringing up to your attention S&P. S&P has no software, none is present. Again, you can trade this on any chart. You simply insert proprietary levels on the platform of your choice and apply proprietary strategies. I've been teaching students all over the world for the last 15 years, software developed 10 years ago for NinjaTrader 8. Students trading futures on TradeStation, thinkers from interactive brokers, trading your platforms I never even heard of in US and 58 countries. So if you're witnessing ultimate precision on S&P, on any chart you choose to trade without software, and on Nasdaq with the software, let's prepare for oil news. Shall we? Alpha Fibonacci system is predictive. You know well before the news what to do at the time of the news. And we will review oil going back months with Alpha Fibonacci system. Expectation this morning is 0.2. Oil entirely different than stock news. More bullish the number, more oversupply, more bearish the news. More undersupply, more bullish the news. Completely in reverse of the stock news. So this is a historical chart on oil, where buyers stepped in from, as our student in Saudi Arabia allowed only to buy oil from the bottom. This is, pay attention, the months of May 2025. I prepare to travel to Europe. When I'm in Europe meeting with students, what playing out on June 22nd? US bombing Iran. All over the news, oil will skyrocket, the noise, the gossip, the rumor on CNBC. But oops, as US consulate texting me, worst terror alert against Americans, be prepared to leave. Take a look on this chart, the morning of June 23rd. Oops, despite all the gossip and all the noise, oil in free fall. From Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You stop gambling, you stop speculating, you stop throwing random trades because of gossip of CNBC or other speculators and gamblers. You actually start trading market as intelligent strategic chess. Our student in Saudi Arabia knows where to exit long-term long position. So this morning on August 6th, this is where oil is now, on key institutional chart. Pay attention. As again, this chart present in the trading room for years. Oil stock in very nasty correction. This is incredibly weak. Buyers on oil on institutional chart. But buyers fully in charge, market crawling up. So So I bring to your attention retail chart, as I will convert retail chart at the time of the news to the tick. This is the chart present in front of you for the last few weeks. Oil sold off in retail chart, as again I can take you months and years with a system. This morning it's testing, critical key, the end of the minor trend. With the single glimpse, intelligent trader very clear that at the time of oil news, this will be the most important level. Pullback already in a play. Buyers are weak. Again, absolutely no software on this chart, none is present. Only proprietary levels and proprietary strategies. Converting chart on oil to any chart. This level is out, you know, this level to follow. Again, bringing you back to S&P and Nasdaq to remind you where we are to the tick. 20 years of building my systems, I promise you it never gets old. This trading range remains for the last 30 minutes. Buyers picking up this team. An intelligent trader knows where market heading to next. How to trade this you learn in the course. Intelligent trader also knows hours and days in advance this level is out, this level to follow. But between these two bold pink lines, it will be war zone. So if you're a day trader, you understand to the tick. This is your trading range on Nasdaq, on any chart this morning. That's it. This is your trading range without software on S&P. Identical level on S&P, identical level on oil. So let's discuss what these colors mean. When I'm working at Johns Hopkins Psychiatry and Research, I witness the power of colors on human brain. Bold pink line identifies the end of the minor trend. Bold green line is a crucial key target. Again, S&P had been bouncing very clearly from critical key target. Correct? An intelligent trader never forgets to exit shorts at this level. An intelligent trader never forgets to exit longs at this level. After all, it's a bold red zone and it's reversal zone. Pure and simple. So again, on S&P to the downside, we're having single bearish alerts with extremely limited trading range. So as we're waiting for oil news in the next 30 minutes, let's review other instruments, shall we? Let's see what Amazon and Apple doing this morning. Shocker, Amazon selling off? Isn't Amazon supposed to go up forever? Not so fast. It came to identical reversal zone as you're witnessing on Nasdaq this morning. It is all the same. I recognized it 20 years ago. So when our student comes to me when he's 70 years old, but right now he's 85, he converted to trading options. He got tired of day trading. You have that opportunity to trade any instrument you choose on any platform. How Nasdaq selling off on any chart to the tick is exact same way Apple right now, Amazon selling off in front of you now. That's it. And again, you knew this months in advance. So if you're under horrific financial stress in your life and you're not capable of making rational decisions, your system long term, trade hourly, trade 4 hour chart. Don't make split second decision after you are in catastrophic stressful situation. Here is Amazon on April 1st. You knew many months in advance where Amazon would reverse from. Here is Amazon in the months of May. Move is up. Amazon crawling back up. Looks familiar? Again, identical move on Nasdaq on any chart this morning. So whatever time frame you choose to trade, whatever instrument, choice is yours. By the end of June, Amazon skyrocketing. You are not gambling with your money, you understand where to exit your long. Identical level live on Nasdaq as playing out for 3 months on Amazon. You look at the chart once a week instead of every minute, every second. Every single strategy I ever developed applies to every instrument, every time frame, every platform. So how Amazon collapsed prior 40% is a stunning reminder. Nothing ever goes on forever. With the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system, you know where to enter, you know where to exit. Nvidia, reaching reversal zone, slowing down, no sellers yet. And again, you knew where to buy Nvidia from. Apple in free fall collapsed until the end of the minor trend, reversed from bold pink line. Again, reflect on that. Identical bold pink line playing out on Nasdaq. Confirming it is all the same. The instrument and the time frame you will choose to trade is absolutely your personal choice. Chart on Euro is one of my favorite. Why? Because it shows you clearly. Despite catastrophe in Europe, despite my hometown is being bombed and my friends losing it all, surreal events playing out, Euro skyrocketed from the lowest point in 20 years. From 96 cents until reversal zone. And when sell-off had started, and Putin celebrating his birthday on October 7th in Moscow with Hamas in Iran, Middle East war starts on his birthday. But somehow no one mentioned it on the news. Oops! Here is Euro this morning at 1,118. Euro in massive correction. If Euro is not crashing through this level, it's not a good news for US dollar. But this is a stunning chart that shows you time and time again. Gamblers shorting Euro. Intelligent trader been buying Euro from the bottom. While US dollar in free fall. Buyers are weak. US dollar struggling to break through this level. And that's the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system across all instruments, all time frames, all platforms that you can trade MT4, MT5, and absolutely you can trade crypto. Our students trading crypto all over the world on their iPhones, on platforms I never even heard of. Again, Bitcoin skyrocketed from Alpha Fibonacci by point. Bitcoin in massive correction now. Again, identical level on Bitcoin as playing out in front of you on Nasdaq on any chart you choose to trade. And again, S&P reached critical key buy point, critical key target, yes, identical level where Nvidia skyrocketed from, where Nvidia sold off from. It is all the same. Again, every system I ever developed, as just to give you a glimpse, 400 strategies under 40 umbrellas, where every single one of my strategy connects to the next one. I work with programmers for institutions. I work with programmers for various platforms. I adore Pat to work with my student who came to me and said, hey, I want to work with you. That's my team. Exact same team for 15 years. Just Pat and I. That's it. Marketing is a part I am allergic to. I do not like. But I live and breathe what I do. And that's the power of the system in front of you live before oil news. That confirmed very clearly sellers are weak. Correct? That's it. So again, reflect on that, please, as we prepare for oil news. My goodness, buyers are weak. Bold pink line on oil remains stuck. Again, we're heading here. This will be war zone. This level is out, this level to follow. In the course, you learn what it means when level is out. And that's oil before major news. Major news in 25 minutes. Every morning I wake up from texts from all over the world. From students from Saudi Arabia to London, to Spain, to New Jersey, to Chicago. Students love. Keep posting me on their performance. So as Pablo keeping me posted this morning, let's take a look on extremely important email from complete beginner trader who never pushed a button on trading platform when he came to me. Take a look. This is extremely important email as spelling out absolutely crucial key part. What did Pablo do? He became obsessed with trading. And he's trading anything and everything possible. Not just futures, but currencies. And I will show you to what he expanded to just recently. Absolutely flawless work by intelligent trader who shares what he does. Again, flawless, spectacular work. Until this. Right now he has 3 accounts with various prop firms. Top Step is one of them. Another account in Europe, he's also trading options, he's trading stocks. So he's on Ninja, he's on TradeStation, and on another different platform. That's it. Choice is yours, what you decide to trade. If complete beginner trader can do this, anyone can. 2 minutes until oil news. We're incredibly well prepared. We understand what to expect. Again, converting this chart to 1. Here we go. Price stuck between both minor trends. This is retail support and resistance. We're extremely clear by looking at the institutional chart that this is critical key moment. This level to the downside on oil is key. This level to the upside on oil is crucial. Both buyers and sellers on retail chart are extremely weak. And again, as you witnessed this morning, Nasdaq continues this dance between critical key retail levels. There is nothing else. As we discussed, Nasdaq drastically more bullish than S&P, but keeps collapsing from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Identical level you saw, sell-off on Amazon, on Apple, on US dollar. S&P keeps bouncing from this level, reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Again, extremely limited trading range. Again, no software on this chart, none is present. It is never, ever a requirement. Software is here. No software on oil. Here we go, oil news is out. We have no idea what oil news is, but we are incredibly ready and very clear. Price stuck in retail trading range between crucial key retail end of the minor trend. Oil news is extremely bullish. Serious undersupply of oil. Oil crawling up until this level. That's it. But again, you are never pulling a trigger randomly. You understand the power of trading markets as intelligent, strategic, predictive, precise, alpha Fibonacci chess. You are not shorting into this level. You are not buying into this level. You understand precision and the power of the system well before major news. Again, entirely different market structure on Nasdaq versus S&P. All of this been recorded on video and will be posted on my YouTube channel. This level is out on S&P. S&P will skyrocket. Buyers picking up this theme. That's it. There is nothing else that you need to know. There is nothing else you need to block. Pure price. Buy. All the indicators are delayed. Pure price is not. An alpha Fibonacci system is predictive and precise. So as oil remains in weakness, as S&P chopping back and forth, I hope you enjoyed this session and I hope you witness the power of the system across multiple instruments, multiple time frames, and you can trade on any kind of platform you choose. All you need, Fibonacci retracement tool and your brilliant, intelligent effort. System proven all over the world by traders from 12 to 80 plus year old. What you will decide to trade is absolutely your personal choice. So as oil remains stuck in weakness, as we knew the weakness of the oil well before oil news, let's wrap up for today. So please review everything on the home page and understand system traded globally by traders from complete beginner to hedge fund manager. JP Morgan traders trading alpha Fibonacci system, hedge fund managers, financial advisors, and children of my traders trading the system. Husband bringing their wife, Emmanuel have done it, Carlton brought many friends, Ken made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute, we met in London multiple times. CEO coming to classes in the middle of the night in Australia. Richard David retired trading the system. Understand this is less than 1% of the emails I receive. I only started posting emails a couple of years ago. But this is what proven by traders all over the world. When you trade one, you can trade them all. Because you are trading pure and you witnessing the power of alpha Fibonacci precision. You can trade on any instrument you choose. So please review everything on the website, and if something is not clear, do not hesitate to contact me. Currently I have a space open for private mentoring, savings $8,000. Last option and option 2 include software to day trade futures for NinjaTrader 8. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. When I work with you in private mentoring and keep you accountable, I show you if day trading is for you or not. And if not, we move to the instrument of your choice. We move to long-term stocks, we move to Forex, we move to crypto, to any instrument you choose, ETFs, metals, commodities, any instrument appropriate for you. But if you have full-time job, if you own the business, if you're on different time zone, group course absolutely appropriate for you. And again, you never have to come to live classes. You can view videos 24/7. So any questions for me, simply pick up the phone and call or send me an email and I will gladly respond. info@fibinstitute.com +1 925 257 4298. So again and again and again, we have incredible community in Melbourne. But again, I cannot violate privacy of my students, but I love seeing our traders from Melbourne coming to classes in the middle of the night. Again, we knew that Nasdaq is bullish, yes? Again, you're witnessing ultimate precision live. Again, bold green zone is held, Nasdaq testing key level. Again, drastically different structure on S&P, buyers picking up this steam when this level is out. And again, if I bring to your attention oil, and what played out on oil is here, black and white. Crawl is up to alpha Fibonacci bold pink line. Because when this level remains intact, the crawl continues up. That's it. And that's the power of the system across multiple instruments. The instrument you will choose to trade is absolutely your personal choice. Again, you can always request invitation to the trading room, and again, for all the questions, simply pick up the phone and call or send me an email. Thank you, traders, for a spectacular day. I'm off to work on my systems. I live and breathe what I do, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you.